Hey everyone, let's take a few minutes today and walk through one of the most powerful and honestly underused sections of preppingcommunities.com, the events and training section. Because prepping is not just about stockpiling, it is about showing up, it's about building skills, it's about meeting people, and it's about strengthening local networks. And that's exactly what this section is built for. There's inside the events and training section, you will find mainly two types of events, whether it's prepping events and homesteading events. Now, obviously, these two worlds overlap a lot. So instead of separating them, we placed everything in one central location. That way you don't miss anything. So one of the biggest goals here was simple: make it easy for people to find events in their local area and or anywhere across North America. So we actively scoured the internet looking for events that preppers and homesteaders would genuinely be interested in, whether it's workshops, it's expos, hands-on training, skill building seminars, community gatherings. If we think it adds value, we will add it. And then we categorize it and tag it with keywords so you can easily search and filter. So to get started, what you do is you just get onto preppingcommunities.com and you'll see that we have menu items at the top here. Click on the events and training menu item, and then on the right hand side you'll see upcoming prepping events, and then you can scroll down and you will see, let me get my mouse here, upcoming homesteading events, and then upcoming courses and training events. If something catches your eye, just simply click on the event title or hit the more info button. So let's say here, Adventure and Safety Atlantic Wilderness First Aid. So here you'll see the clear title. You will see a detailed description of the event, okay, as well as when the event is, the location, contact information, and you can contact them by phone, and then you can just click right onto the website if you're interested. And if you want to email them, register, or learn more, you can do that right away as well. Now, if you want to narrow things down a little bit, you can click on Find All Events. Sorry, I'm just going to get my mouse here. I got two monitors going right now. Okay. And if you want to narrow things down, like I was saying, you can click on Find All Events, the menu item on the left. And from there, you can select for every state and province that there is an event in, we have it. You can on the menu item here. So you just click here and you can click on that, or you can go to all events and categories. So homesteading, prepping, training, bushcraft, etc., and scroll down, as well as you can enter in by keyword. Okay. And you'll instantly see what's happening in that location or niche. But if you prefer a visual approach, click the events and training map, and that will show you a map. Let's bring that up. Oops. Let's bring that map up. So you'll see here that it's a map with events pinned across North America, making it incredibly easy for you to find what's happening near you. You want to promote your own event. That is simple as well. You can add your event or your training. This part is important because we didn't want this just to be a directory we manage. We wanted it to be community driven. So if you're hosting like a prepper meetup, a homesteading workshop, a skills or training event, a survival course, or any kind of preparedness related gathering, click on this add event, fill in the information. So you can see here that you got the event name, the description, you put the description in here. You can upload an image to your event. Upload another image. You can also, by clicking here, you can also upload a video. Okay. Category. These are the categories you can choose from. You can choose your audience. Put the event URL in, the group host name, contact phone, email, website, the frequency, how many times you want it up there, the start, end date, start time, end time, event location, and so forth. And it just gives you the opportunity to put in all the details and then save as published. There's another thing that gets overlooked, and that an event doesn't just have to be an expo or a meetup. It can be a course. It can be, so I'll take you up here, right? It can find, view all course and training events, and you can add your event, but it can be like a course, a certification program, a hands-on training class, a skills workshop. If you offer training and you want people to know about it, just add it as a training event. So to see examples, just click on the training events. Sorry, pardon me. Where's my mouse here? Just click on the left here. Click on a link on the left. That will show you upcoming courses and training events currently. Sorry, right here, right on the right, my right. And that will show you upcoming courses and training events currently listed. So you can also filter by state or province to see what is happening and available as well. So why does this matter? Because across North America, there are incredible prepping and homesteading events happening right now. They're not just expos, but they're opportunities for you to build real world skills, meet like-minded people, strengthen your local resilience network, and connect with people who actually live this lifestyle. Our platform is free to use. Everything in this section is completely free to browse, pardon me. And if you want to participate, just sign up. Registration is free, and then start adding your own events right away. And that's it. That's basically just a high-level overview of the events and training section on preppingcommunities.com. Take a few minutes after this video, explore it for yourself, see what's happening in your area. You might be surprised at how much is going on right now. We are building something community-driven here because preparedness, it's not like preparedness isn't just about what you store. It's about who you stand with when things get difficult. And if you haven't joined our platform yet, membership is completely free. Takes less than a minute to sign up. And once you're in, you can browse events, connect with others, and even add your own. So if you found this helpful, I'll hope you join our community, but please like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss any future updates. And I will see you in the next video.